Hey everyone, this is Lauren from Donut Team. Welcome to the July 2019 status update. It's been a while, hasn't it? Let's get into it. First things first, today we're launching DT Docs 2.0. This is a complete rewrite of our entire documentation site that we've been cooking up for the past few weeks. It features an all-new, cleaner design and vastly more complete documentation of the mod launcher, as well as work-in-progress documentation of a number of other tools and subjects. We're happy to finally have full documentation of our main modding tool, and we hope this helps mod creators understand how to use it and the full extent of what they can do with it. We plan to continue expanding this site to fully cover other tools, such as the model builder, in the near future. We will also be integrating search into this documentation site shortly after launch, so please stay tuned for that. Next up, we're releasing a minor update to the main release of the mod launcher to introduce several bug fixes and improvements that were made during the ongoing development of our save states hack. We're also releasing an update to SHAR MP as well as a new save states testing build to bring both of them up to speed. The new testing build also includes improvements to the save states hack itself. Since we released the public beta of the first level of Donut Mod 4 back in April, we've seen a lot of people enjoying it. We want to take a moment to thank everyone that's tried it out so far and say that we greatly appreciate your feedback. We're hard at work on the next level and hope to let you play it very soon, but for the time being, we're just going to give you a small teaser of one of the new areas you'll get to explore in Level 2. For years now, we've been working on several iterations of a mod sharing platform that we originally planned to launch on the Donut Team website. However, we acknowledge that a lot of mod creators feel that the Donut Team site is too closely connected to us as a team to facilitate fair competition among mod creators. Some mod creators have actually expressed their motivational issues in the past as a result of this, and it is for this reason, as well as various others, that we believe it would be better if this mod sharing platform was its own entity, separate from the Donut Team name altogether. Introducing Mod Bakery. We're still in the planning phase for this project, and it has not entered development yet. However, we are actively researching technologies to power it, and we also want to gather your feedback on our plans for it as they are right now. Currently, we plan to move all community features from the Donut Team site to this new platform while maintaining all user accounts and forum posts. As for new features, this site is where we'd like to bring the mod storefront idea we've discussed and tried to develop over the course of the past few years to life. We think all mod creators should have an equal chance to succeed, and the playing ground in which they do it should be controlled by the community, not by us. We want to have an easy-to-browse mod listing and mod pages where creators can upload builds of their mods and tell the community what they're all about. We'd also like these mod pages to house dedicated discussion boards for each mod, as well as a review system to allow people to rate mods and describe their experience with them. We want to maintain an open dialogue for this project as we plan it out and begin development in the coming weeks. Please be sure to let us know what you think. As for the time being, we've paused development of the current Donut Team website while we prepare to shift development to this behemoth of a project. Before we go, we have a couple of mod resources to discuss as well. The first of which is an update to our additional characters resource pack. This update introduces a brand new model for Fat Tony, as well as a new character altogether, Martin Prince. Here's a comparison of the old model for Fat Tony and the new one side by side. As you can tell, it's a pretty big improvement. You can get this new Fat Tony model as well as Martin to use in your own mods starting today. The other resource we have to discuss comes in the form of a script that's actually already been seen in various forms inside mods we've released in the past, game.lua. This script makes it much easier to script missions with custom file Lua path handler scripts. You can get this script starting today and learn how to use it on DT Docs. That's all we have for you today. Now that we've arrived at the end of the status update, I'm going to fulfill a promise I, for some reason, made by passing it over to Sea Captain Lauren to finish this video out. Yar, mateys. We hope you find the new documentation scrolls and bountiful resources helpful in your creative voyages. Be sure to let us know what you think about Mod Bakery as well. There are links to everything discussed today in the description down below. Thank you all for tuning in.